separated everything. These are the jeans. In this load, maybe I will still separate. I will separate the lighter and then the darker, because I think this is too much to be in one load. White things, I still need to take out my bedding. My son is still sleeping, and this is his things, and this is my last load. Okay guys, so let's start. But before I start, what I will do, I will just put bicarbonate of soda and some vinegar and run this place, because I just finished washing my carpet inside. I just put the blanket setting to wash this carpet. I just didn't have strength to wash it by hand. This is how big is it. Just fold it, and this is how it looks, this side. So you can put it in a machine. Also wash this two things. So guys, if you know, the machine does come with instructions saying that you must always put your bras like this before you start washing them. And then I like to use this laundry bag. Usually I use this laundry bag to put bras, socks and jerseys. If you have any sensitive material, you must use a laundry bag and put it together with your washing, so that it doesn't rub together with other things. Yeah, especially jerseys. Like if you don't have a laundry bag, always use your pillowcase. That's what I was using before I bought this. I bought this at Westpac Lifestyle. Yeah, you can get it. It's reasonable. It's not expensive. Or you can just use your pillowcase, what you have. Never mind, my machine is dirty. I was just running it inside because I was washing the mats. I still need to clean it nicely inside. I haven't cleaned it, I think, for like 2 weeks. Yeah, house is a mess. This is what I've been doing for the past maybe almost 2 weeks. Yeah, so I really wanted to finish the last 2 days. So my house is kind of a mess. Yeah, so I'm just showing you what I was busy with. Still need to do the chairs. Still need to put some varnish on top of this table. Not sure what color I'm deciding on. Yeah, as we are washing, and the electricity, I just heard that we have load shedding. That's how my kitchen is looking right now. I didn't clean it for 2 days. This is how it's looking. It's a disaster. Let me just quickly wash the dishes with you guys so long I'm waiting for my laundry that side to finish. And yeah, I'll see if I'll take you guys along to clean other places, or we'll just fold, because I still have last week laundry. This is what I was finishing up today. So you know, week by week things are not always the same, because I was busy with the table. I have last week laundry, and today is Sunday. As I said before, I like to rest, but I cannot rest in this messy house because I didn't clean the house on Friday, didn't clean the house on Saturday also. Yeah, so that's what are we doing right now.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best.
So guys, my daughter baked this cake. So I told her, go check one of my recipes, then follow the recipe and bake the cake. That's one of the reason I make this YouTube channel, so that whenever I do my experiment in the kitchen and it comes out okay, then it's captured in the video or somewhere for me to remember. Also, not only just to share my recipes, guys, it's also for my family and for me to always, it's like a recipe book, but you know, in a video. Yeah, so I told her just go and check and bake a cake for us. So what she did was she went and checked the recipe, but she didn't follow the instructions. I told her you must check nicely, especially when it comes to coffee. I've noticed before, even when I used to bake, even when I didn't know how to bake, people, they will say you put coffee, but they will not specify how much coffee. Like they will say 1 cup of coffee, but they won't say in that water when you're making coffee, do you put 1 teaspoon or you put 2 teaspoons of coffee. So I do mention that when I was writing my recipe, because I want people must know how much coffee you need to put to actually get the results of the cake that I baked. So she didn't notice that. She just said, okay, I have to put a cup of coffee, and she put 1 cup of instant coffee, like not mixed with water, like coffee. I was so angry, guys. I was really angry. But anyway, surprisingly, the cake came out delicious, but because I don't love coffee like that, and she was also kind of like sick, when she's sick, then she don't eat those yummy things as much, so we couldn't finish this cake.
I wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out.
Okay, guys, I didn't greet you guys at the beginning. I hope everyone is fine. This video actually doesn't have a beginning, it doesn't have an end. It's just me sharing hints of what I did on this particular day. Yeah, it's just not an organized video. Even when I was editing it, I was not quite happy with it, but because I took my time, and you know what, I did take my time to film it, so that's why I uploaded it. Otherwise, it's not the greatest content I like to create, especially when it comes to cleaning. Yeah, anyway, my name is Amina. If it's your first time here, I'm a mom of 2, a teenager and a toddler. We are a family of 4. Yeah, guys, in this channel I do like to share cleaning motivation, laundry motivation. I cannot stress that enough. I don't know how come we always have so much laundry as we speak, like almost every day we have so much laundry in this house. I don't know how, but anyway, and another thing, maybe we have so much laundry because I do choose to wash once there's enough load. Like the load must be full, like let's say the black things, the white things, and different color things, like the load must be full. I feel like if I wash maybe daily or 3 times a week and the loads are not full, that's kind of like waste of soap, waste of water. That's how I take it. So to wash once, that works for me, and I get to save on the water because I just do that like once. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Than to do it every day. I mean, different things for different people. That's how I take it. Anyway, yeah, so guys, on this video I was washing, kind of like bit of like showing the hints of what I did in the kitchen. I actually don't like to do this YouTube videos if I'm not at my best looking, because these videos are for the public, guys. Here on YouTube, as much as I'm in my house, and when I'm in my house, if I'm not recording, I am not wearing a scarf. So obviously sometimes I need to like kind of like look my best. So I wasn't here. I just decided, okay, let me just create content. And if I started by wanting to look all smart for the video, then it was just gonna take forever. And yeah, so I said, okay, let me come in here still looking my dirty self and just work a bit and give you guys some motivation. I hope you're getting some motivation, guys, from this video. There's really no end. I was thinking I'm gonna fold here on this video also. Yeah, it was just a mess. It's a messy video, guys. Everything about this video is a mess, and I apologize for that. But anyway, please do give the video a like, and don't forget to to share my videos, guys, and come back and get some more motivation the following week. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video. Let's subscribe. If you like my content, please subscribe and do come back and watch more. I do share cooking, cleaning, laundry. I didn't finish at the beginning. Yeah, and cooking, I do have a cooking channel which is Ayos Cooking. So when I say I share cooking here, it will be me day and day of cooking, but not 100% sharing a recipe, because I do now have a separate cooking channel. So there, it's a struggle. I'm trying to be consistent that side, but slowly we will get our food and we will be uploading one video a week. So but here, if you see I've cooked something or maybe whatever I've uploaded on my Instagram and you want a recipe, you are free to ask. I will share. I have no problem. Okay guys, I think I will just keep it at there. I will just separate my washing here, sorting out my kitchen a bit. Yeah, that's it, I think. Okay guys, I will see you on my next upload. I just wanted to share this, guys, to my fellow content creators. Like, I've been noticing my old videos are getting copyright. I am using InShot to edit my videos, and I did use lots of InShot music to put on my videos, guys. I'm advising you, if you happen to put majority of the random songs that they say it's a copyright free music, be careful of that, because at some time you will get maybe a copyright. Just be careful with that, because like now, before, you were able to go to YouTube Studio and actually change the song, but now you can't, because I think they've gotten clever now. They see that once we notice that the song is we're getting a copyright, we're able to go change it and put the what's that free music, you guys, the one that we really need supposed to put. Yeah, I used to do that always, but now you can't. It doesn't give you an option to do that. So it's better you pay music like we're paying music, or maybe just use the I forgot this, I'll write it down, that music, that the one we really supposed to be using, the boring music. Yeah, okay guys, I think I'm talking so much. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye. Thank you. So guys, you can see the weather, it's so lovely today.
What, mommy?
So I was just hanging my yesterday clothes because it started to drizzle yesterday. Yeah guys, hopefully I'm gonna show you when I'm folding, because yesterday I decided, let me just stop. I was so tired. Inam, you're going to break the basket.